Here are 28 useful German verbs in 2.5 minutes. Gehen, to go. Aufgehen, to open. Zugehen, to close. Kaputt gehen, to break. Schief gehen, to go wrong, to fail. Hingehen, to go there. Fortgehen, to leave. Hintergehen, to betray. Fremd gehen, to cheat. Begehen, to commit. Untergehen, to sink. Entgehen, to escape from. Vergehen, to go by. Eingehen, to die. Eingehen auf, to respond to or to go into detail. Drauf gehen, to die. Klar gehen, to be alright. Umgehen, to avoid, to go around something. Umgehen mit, to handle something or someone. Vorgehen, to go first. Hinterhergehen, to follow, to go after. Rausgehen, to go outside. Reingehen, to go inside. Rangehen, to pick up the phone. Hochgehen, to go up, to rise. Also, to explode. Abgehen, to come off, to fall off. Also, to be awesome. Angehen, to go on. Also, to concern. Es kann nicht angehen, to be unacceptable. Ausgehen, to go out. Ausgehen von, to assume, to presume. Auseinandergehen, to come apart, to fall apart. Also, to disperse, to disband. Durchgehen, to go through, to pass through. Also, to be acceptable or to go unpunished.